What's going on, friends? Okay, let me just say this up front. I'm not some crypto expert or financial advisor or whatever. I'm just a regular person who's been messing with cloud mining for a while and made pretty much every mistake you can make. And I see people in the comments section on other videos asking the same questions I had about to make the same dumb decisions I made, and I just thought it'd be easier to make one video showing exactly what I use now and why everything else I tried was basically a disaster. So that's what this is. No production value, just me at my desk showing you the one platform that hasn't screwed me over yet. Been using ArcMine for about 25 weeks now, and it's the only one where withdrawals actually work consistently. That's literally the bar we're working with here.
All right, so let me show you this live right now so you see the process. I'm going with Ethereum here, but the app actually processes mining for basically every major cryptocurrency: BTC, Solana, BNB, Tron, all the top ones. But ETH's what I'm choosing for this one. Okay, hitting continue now. So here I need to input my receiving address. So switching to my wallet, copying ETH address, back to the app, and pasting it right here. Now I'm setting hash rate power and mining speed. Basically, these controls determine how much processing capacity gets dedicated to your operation and how fast it runs. But here's the thing, this directly impacts your costs. So if I crank these higher, I'll mine crypto faster, but the fees go up accordingly. Remember this. Okay, next I'm entering my target amount. This shows how much crypto I'm aiming to mine and the estimated duration. Okay, so now I'm launching the mining. Perfect, it's running. All the data is visible here, so let's give this some time.
And I've successfully mined ETH, so now I can withdraw it. But important detail here, the app requires the infrastructure fee paid before processing any withdrawal. Everything's broken down here. The energy used, the server clusters that handled it, plus network transaction costs. So factor that in, complete transparency. Okay, I'm copying this address. Give me a moment. Back to the app, clicking I've sent the payment, and just waiting for the system to verify everything. Okay, while I'm waiting, let me share the absolute worst experience I had with the scam platforms, because this is probably more useful than anything else I'll show you. This was about 18 months ago. I was on Discord in some crypto trading server, and people were hyping up a new platform that supposedly used quantum mining technology or some ridiculous buzzword like that.
People I'd been chatting with for months in this Discord were all vouching for it, saying they'd been using it, making profits, withdrawals working fine. Turned out later the server had been infiltrated by the scammers running fake accounts, but I didn't know that then. The website looked next level professional. Interactive 3D graphics, real-time global mining map, live customer support, educational videos about their technology, even had some fake white paper with complicated math making it look legitimate. I was impressed. But looking back, the red flags were everywhere. The fake technology claims, the Discord sock puppet accounts, the verification fee scam, all obvious scam tactics I ignored because everyone around me seemed to be making money.
ArcMine is fundamentally different because it's just reliable and straightforward. I've withdrawn 24 times over 25 weeks, amounts from $200 to $2,000. Every withdrawal processes within some minutes consistently. Zero surprise fees beyond the transparent $30 infrastructure charge, zero compliance audits, zero security holds, zero verification scams. Just works every single time without drama. And here's my honest take after all this. Cloud mining is a minefield. For every legitimate platform, there's probably 20 scams. The default assumption should be that any platform you encounter is fraudulent until proven otherwise through repeated successful withdrawals. Don't hope it's real. Make it prove it's real through your own testing. So yeah, links in the pinned comment and description. Drop your actual results in the comments after you test it. Later.